First of all, I want to say that this video is just my personal experience. It could be different from yours, and some reasons are personal, some reasons are related to Philippines. I don't pretend to be the absolute truth, but I hope this video could be useful for you. And the first reason is most important for me. It's because of warm climate. I remember when I was a child, we traveled with my father to Egypt, and our hotel was located right on the beach. I remember I asked myself why we should leave this place and go back to our home country. So from the day I had a dream to live on a place where people go into vacation. In Philippines there is no cold weather at all. The second reason is that I want to spend more time outside from the box. Think about how many hours you spend indoors, inside of cars, inside of malls, inside of your house. In my home country there is about only 40 days in a year with warm weather, and I was not always available to get out of routine and go outside for a walk, for example. The third reason is break out from routines and saturated life with events. There is no better way to do it than to start a new life in a new place, with a new culture, with a new language, and making new things. It's like a start new chapter of your life. The fifth reason it's about I want to see beautiful nature from the window every day. There is so many beautiful places in Philippines. There is rainforests, there is oceans, there is hills. You can choose whatever you want and enjoy your life every day. Reason number 6 is to challenge myself and my fears. You could imagine how scary it could be to live in unfamiliar country with different language, without anyone who you know, and also without income. This leads to reason number 7. I want to learn how make money online, because I don't want to be tied anymore to my job or my business if it's local. I think it's important for me to be able to move around the world. The reason number 8, it's because I want to live in a country with good people. Philippines are awesome. They are kind, they are happy, they are smiling. And they smiling not because they want to look good into your eyes. They smiling just because they're happy and want to share their mood with you, that's all. The 9th reason, it's about cost of living. Philippines, it's a quite cheap country, and comfort living starts here from about $600 a month. It's a huge topic, and it obviously depends on your needs. The 10th reason is because I want to breathe clean air. That's why I choose to live in province. But if you want to live in a big city like Manila, there is no such option. The 11th reason is because I want to learn how to live a slow life, because all my life I live in a big city with a fast pace of life, and it's in a subconscious that you need to do things as quick as possible. The 12th reason why I choose Philippines is because almost everyone knows English. English it's my second language, and I do my best to make it better. And thank you for your patience for listening my bad pronunciation. Feel free to correct my mistakes in the comments. I will be glad to learn from you. The 13th reason, because of soft immigration policy. I can live in the Philippines like tourists for 3 years, and after three years I just need to leave country for at least 1 day, and then I can come back again for another 3 years. The 14th reason, it's because of Filipinos like white Europeans. They want to say hello, shake your hand, make photo with you, and it's not because they need something from you. It feels like you're a superstar, but for no reason. The 15th reason is that I want to eat more fruits and vegetables whole year. There is a lot of fruit markets where you can buy fruits at low price. My favorite one is dragon fruit, pineapple, and yellow mango. The 16th reason is that I want to feel my life like a great journey. This is different from living whole your life in your home country, where everything is familiar to you and you know what to expect from tomorrow. Of course, our life is unpredictable, but I mean some sense of confidence. 17th reason is that I want to feel myself like a new person. It's not about that I don't love myself or don't accept myself. No, it's about to editing new faces to your personality, because you're speaking in a new language with a new culture, different people, and it definitely makes you different person in some ways. The 18th reason is to make my life longer. And I don't mean that when you live in a good climate with a healthy food, it's better to your health. I mean that our lives is consist of events and of creating memories of them. Maybe you felt that in your childhood time was slower, and one reason is that everything was new for you, and every day was full of new events, of new experience. The 19th reason is that I want to have more outdoor sport activities. It's easier to make more sport activities when the weather is warm whole year. You can swim in the ocean, you can surf, you can dive, you can run, you can play in different sports games. Filipinos are very fond of sports, and they would be happy to invite you to play with them in any sports activities. The 20th reason is the traffic. I live in a province where is no traffic lights at all. People drive slow and safely because on the road could be anything. A child could cross the road, a dog can lay on the road on the middle. Also drivers, they can ride the opposite way. That's why all road users in a full attention, and it's kind of intuitive driving. They're respectful and patient on the road. And the 21st reason is the Filipino girls. They are pretty, they are kind, they very love white Europeans, and you probably will have much more girls' attention than you had it in your home country. I'm not saying that there is a paradise somewhere in the world, but I think that you should choose what you want and what you can't accept. And I'm very grateful for Philippines and Filipinos for the opportunity to live in their great country.